Welcome back to the channel. Timmy Smalls here. We are at Maitland Beach, Victoria, Australia. Bear Gully Campground. Beautiful campground in Victoria with drop toilets. It's about all the amenities you do get. And we have a stunning beach. It's just about to be sunset. It's my first time here actually. And it's a beautiful, stunning beach. We're shooting with the Fuji GFX 50R, which I got yesterday, and I've adapted the Nikon E Series 50mm 1.8. And we are shooting exclusively in the 65-24 format. 10 minutes till sunset, although the colours are looking pretty good in the sky already. And over here, if you can see that is Wilson's Promontory. One of my favourite place in the whole of Victoria. And the southerly point down there is the most southerly point on the Australian mainland. And it is a beautiful spot. And it's a bit sort of hazy. I was hoping there would be some nice sun on the mountains, but there isn't. Love these orange rocks down here. Don't know what it is. If anyone could tell me, help me out, help a brother out. Love all this flora as well, the native plants. Always look good to photograph. We're shooting just in JPEG. And we're using the Velvia Vivid mode. Want some colour pop? Because it is a little, I thought there'd be more colour, but like look at this orange. I don't even know what this orange is on this rock, but we're gonna photograph it. 'Cause it looks cool as hell. What I love about this Fuji GFX 50R is the fact you can shoot natively in 65-24 panoramic. It's a game changer. It's one of the reasons I bought this camera. Just makes everything, I don't even want to say cinematic, I just want to say, it just makes everything bloody cool. To have the ability to just walk around and shoot in that wide, super wide panoramic aspect ratio, well, bloody game changer, bloody game changer. So I'm down here with the kids, they're having some dinner. We've got someone fishing out over there and I'm definitely gonna get a shot of that. I just love these orange rocks. There's not much colour in the sky yet. And the sand, and now my boy, he's come to visit. How many? Really? Uh-oh, let's get a shot of this guy fishing. Oh, my son's gonna come for me on my photo walk. Yeah. Yeah, well, we're just gonna go for a walk. Daddy's doing a video now. You're gonna be on YouTube. Yeah. Well, yeah, Dad's just gonna take some photos first. Maybe you can be in some. You wanna say hello to everyone? Tommy, say hello to everyone. Now look at the colour in the sky there, Tommy. That looks cool, doesn't it?
Dad, you need a chat.
Need a what?
Chat too.
Chat? Yeah, I am. That wasn't anything special, but looks cool. I think we'll walk out to that point.
Dad, is there going to be another one?
Another what?
Of the colour.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely love these orange rocks. I'm going to use these orange rocks with Wilson's prom in the background just to get a mint photo. That looks kind of cool. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Looks all right, doesn't it? This is Dad's new camera. What do you think of it?
Cool.
Hold it. Is it heavy?
No, it's clear.
There you go. Yeah, take a photo. Yeah, take one that way. You gotta push it down harder. Oh, I'll show. I'm gonna show everyone that photo when I post this video. You can see it. It's not bad, eh?
Oh, there's a sponge. Dad, I just looked at it.
Yeah, I know, Mum. I saw Mum with you. Where's all the crabs? They're probably under the rocks. Evening. Ron, g'day, how you going? Oh, that's cool. That looks amazing. He's doing a drawing or a painting. That's kind of cool. Let's get a photo of him doing a painting from this way. This is where the light, see how the light is better on this side? Get a photo. That's cool. That's good to see a young fella out there doing some art. He's doing some painting. We'll get some of the waves. I'm going to wait for the waves to break. Watch the waves, they're about to break in the background. And they're about to break now. Yes. That's so cool. So we need to get past that point. Maybe, yeah. Potentially. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Let's keep going, Tommy. We've got a photo of this guy fishing. That's kind of cool. Does he? Has he caught something? Or maybe he's just winding it in. I love composing with the 65-24. Oh, you did get something. Yeah, with the 65-24 and composing with the subject like a person off center. It's just a classic composition, isn't it? It just looks epic. You got a fish. Couldn't believe it. Yeah, I know. We're going to go down here. So first day of using this new camera, it's just bloody incredible. Just been shooting, taking photos of the fam in all different aspect ratios and cannot fault it at all. 65:24 is the most epic aspect ratio of all time. I don't care what anyone says. And it means I don't have to go out and spend money on the Fuji G617 or the Linhof Technorama $2 billion. We just do this. Yeah, sure, shooting film could be cool. And I do shoot the occasional roll of film. Come this way, I want to go around the corner. Yeah, just let's go around the corner. Get a shot of this guy. No, he's gone. I want to see what's around this corner. Another little cove. Beautiful spot. I mean, you can't go wrong going for a walk. And that at sunset, and I'm just seeing that composition right there. And we've got a guy with a fire on the beach. Epic. That could be. There we go. It's pretty cool. Not bad. Wow. Where all the rocks are over there. I'm not quite sure, mate. Get one of Wilson's prom in the background. Love this blue.
Dad, no one ever in the world has this on.
No, that's right. That's absolutely correct. Well, not the light that I was hoping for, but still cool. Hold on a sec. Uh-oh. What?
Beach glass.
Oh, yeah. Beach glass, that's cool. I didn't know you could get it here. What rocks? I'm not quite sure, mate. Well, Daddy's doing a video, so that's cool. I want to inspire him to go out and take his own photographs. And we can get him running. Photography gets you out there, gets you seeing new places. And that is always good for the soul. Anyway, my name's Timmy Smalls. Thanks for watching. And we will see you on the next one. And most likely using this puppy again, because it is the sickest camera ever.